Avoid this filler mistake. Did you know that the very fillers that are meant to rejuvenate your face could actually make you appear older? I'm Dr. Julian De Silva, a London-based facial, cosmetic and plastic surgeon, and today I want to share with you a crucial insight that could save you from one of the most common mistakes in facial aesthetics, the filler paradox. Now, while fillers can restore youthful volume, repeated injections in the same areas like the outer cheeks, jawline, and the chin area can have unintended consequences. And over time, this approach can cause the cheekbones to protrude unnaturally and lower face to become overly full. The result? A squarer, heavier facial shape that paradoxically makes you look older, not younger. Now, why does this happen? Well, our eyes are naturally drawn to facial proportions, and when volume is repeatedly added to the sides of the face, it disrupts the natural V shape is associated with youth. Instead, the face can start to look wider and more masculine, accelerating the perception of aging. Now, what can you do instead? Well, the key is tailored, artistic approach, and one that respects your unique facial structure and focuses on restoring natural harmony, not just adding volume. Sometimes less is more. Strategic placement and restraint are essential for results that are fresh, balance, and true rejuvenation. Now, before you consider another filler session, ask yourself, is this enhancing my natural features or is it just adding bulk? Now, did you know that fillers often is marketed as a quick fix of facial aging, but they can actually make you look older? Many people get fillers in the same areas again and again, the outer cheeks, the jawline, the chin area, and although these fillers in these areas seem to work at first, over time, some of that volume does not dissolve. Your cheekbones start to stick out, the lower part of your face gets heavier and fuller, and suddenly your face can look more square and less defined. And that is the twist. The squarer face shape actually makes you look older and not younger. And this is because youth is all about a soft, natural contour that has a gentle V shape. And when fillers are overused, that face shape changes and becomes square. Instead of rejuvenation, you get exaggeration. Before you reach out and get more filler, ask, am I enhancing my natural features or just adding bulk? Remember, sometimes less is absolutely more. Now, for more expert advice on true natural rejuvenations, do follow my channel as I'll be talking about this. I do hope this information has been useful, and if you have any thoughts or comments, please don't hesitate to contact us.